Hello guys, in this tutorial I can teach you how to install browser in Linux desktop. Default, if you have the Linux desktop, you can use the browser Mozilla. But how to use another browser like Chrome? In Windows, maybe you can easy to install Chrome, but in Linux desktop is a little different. Okay, let's go. Following my tutorial. The first, you can open the Mozilla Firefox web browser. Okay, after that you can search Chrome. Then you can click a link download Chrome. Okay, you can choose the 64-bit .deb for Debian Ubuntu. Okay, accept and install. Then you click a save file. Okay, after complete download, close the Windows browser. Then you choose the command prompt in a Linux. If you log in for the user not root level, you must change to root level and then read the command like that. Okay, browse where the download location in a folder download. Okay, and then write the command dot slash and then write a Google and then you can choose a tab for automatically write. Okay, enter. Please waiting. Okay, it's a finish. Close the comment form. Then you can find new browser in a desktop Google Chrome. Maybe you can choose the Google Chrome. Then use the new password for the first open. Very good.